Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to today's class. See, my dear children, I am Kausar, a staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. I am your English teacher. So far, you know me very well. You know me from the previous videos, previous classes. Now, today we are going to start our academic year syllabus along with notes also. Okay, before we start our syllabus, I would like to introduce your books. I know you all know very well about your books. How many books you have? For English, a textbook, grammar book, classwork and homework. That means textbook, grammar book, textbook and grammar book, and then two four-ruled notebooks, and one is for classwork, another one is for homework, or you use it as small copy. Am I right? You'll write it for handwriting practice, small copy. Am I right, my dear children? Yeah. So totally you have 4 books. Textbook, grammar book, classwork and HW, homework, copy, small copy. Okay. 2 four-ruled notebooks is for classwork and small copy. Textbook is for lessons and grammar is also to learn grammar. And along with the set of textbooks, along with the set of books, I think you got diary also. Am I right? Yeah. See, in this diary, you have to write your particulars here. About me, on about me column, on about me page, you have to write your particulars about your name, like your name, class, section, roll number and all these. Okay. Now, we are going to learn FA1 syllabus. So, I'll give you FA1 syllabus in the diary. Okay. Open page, take your diaries and open page this one. Formative assessment 1, timetable and syllabus. Look here all of you, my dear children. Formative assessment 1, timetable and syllabus. Open this page. You know very well where you have to write the syllabus, FA1 syllabus. So, open the page. You may get full page for syllabus. Like subject, date of exam and syllabus. Telugu, Hindi, English, you may get all the subject, name of the subjects here. Okay, so I'll give syllabus. You have to note down in your diary. After noting, what you have to do? After writing this, what you have to do? You have to ask your parents to countersign here, to sign here. Okay. Now, I'll draw column on the board. What is the symbol? Page formative assessment 1. Formative assessment 1. Here. Subject, date of exam, syllabus. Okay, what is the first subject there? Telugu, Hindi, English, maths, etc. So where you have to write the syllabus? English. Which subject is now? English. What is the syllabus then? Write the syllabus here. Textbook, lesson 1. Textbook, lesson 1. Page number 1 to 10. Textbook, lesson 1. Page number 1 to 10. And then you have one more book. What is that? Grammar. Yes. Grammar, lesson 1. You have to write here only, here itself. Grammar, lesson 1. Page number 1 to 3. Okay? Look at the board. This is your formative assessment 1 syllabus. We'll get the timetable of syllabus very soon. Okay, so note down the syllabus, learn accordingly. Okay, my dear children. So your today's homework is, here you have home task. Am I right? Where you have to write the home task? You have to write the date, name, date, see here, date, and on the third column, third line, your homework is this is the date. You have to write your date, write the date there, and Telugu, after Hindi, and then English. Read and practice alphabet, capital and small, for one time. Okay, my dear children, this is your homework. From tomorrow, we'll start writing our classwork. Okay, from tomorrow, you have to be ready. You have to get ready. You read and practice this in rough notebook itself and take a picture and send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay, so from tomorrow we will start writing in the classwork. Okay, so be prepared, my dear children. You have to get ready, be ready with your all particulars, all needy things like pen, scale, I think no need scale, pen, pencil, notebook, and a writing pad. And a writing pad also, so that you can write properly. Okay, so sit in a proper place to write these. Okay, get ready for the classwork tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give in the classwork. Okay, my dear children, that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.